Hello, this is Phil from Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting. Today's cooking video, I am going to do some stir-fry vegetables with chanterelle mushrooms and chicken. I'm going to give it a Thai Asian flavor. Clean them by wiping them off and cutting off the dirt. I never introduce water to these mushrooms before cooking because they will go bad pretty quickly. But if I do it by just wiping off the dirt, I can store them in a paper bag in my refrigerator and they will keep for up to a month. The other ingredients I'm using is chicken breast, cilantro, zucchini squash, green bell pepper, tomato, onion, carrot, and celery. We'll be seasoning with chili garlic sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, mirin, Old Bay, garlic powder, and Johnny's seasoning salt. The zucchini, I will add the celery with the mushrooms to be cooked together. I will chop up the tomato and the cilantro after everything is done cooking and add it on top. The secret to good non-stick cooking is to let the pan get warm before you add the oil. The next step is to add the granulated garlic to the oil. I used about a teaspoon of garlic, and I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of Old Bay, about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Add the mushrooms and celery. I will cook the mushrooms and celery for about 10 minutes before adding the other ingredients. I use medium heat to cook the mushrooms. After the 10 minutes is up, I will add the rest of the ingredients. After it's cooked for about 5 minutes, and push all the ingredients to the side of the pan. Add 1 cup of water. About a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. About a tablespoon of marin. About a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it in good with the water in the middle, and then bring the vegetables and everything into the middle of the pan. Add a little bit of seasoning salt to taste, and a chili garlic sauce. This sauce and the sriracha sauce is hard to come by anymore. I got the last bottle. After adding all the seasonings and the water, cook it for about another 15 minutes until the water boils off and it starts to caramelize. This is a low sodium, low carb, heart healthy dish that is very easy to make. Add a little bit of grated cheese. I like cheddar. And top with the tomatoes. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of seasoning salt on the tomatoes. And sprinkle the cilantro. Now for the tasting. Well, there you have it. Stir-fried vegetables and rice. And it is very good. Thank you for watching. This is Phil with Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting. We'll see you next time. Are we having chicken tonight, Tipper?